Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, helps make mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. Now, sure, the price did pull back, but still, where the price closed relative to where it was, made some price movement. But that does bring up the question, is this the start of something bigger? Is there some true power behind this price movement? Or is it just kind of a knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this point right here at the 19-cent mark. 19 and a half cents. Why is 19 and a half cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price isn't going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 19 and a half cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, now, hey, you have stair steps starting to progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong longer-term moves do, that make progress as time goes by. So sure, it's not, by no means would anybody be excited that it pulled back like it did, but it can still stabilize, build a higher base, and then continue on upwards, and form an overall uptrend. Now, it's also going to have to start breaking some levels of resistance. So let's map out a couple of these key battlegrounds that if any sort of upwards move is going to continue, the bulls are going to have to fight through. First area of resistance, right up here at that point, and that sits at 24 cents. And then after 24 cents, next key overall area right up there at the 26-cent mark. So 24, 26, next two battlegrounds. But at this point, breaking levels of resistance, in my opinion at least, is not a top priority. Top priority is just building higher bases and starting to, build those higher stair steps, and then you'll try to, and eventually, hopefully get, an upward staircase. So we'll see what the bulls have in store next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.